hope all are good. Today let me start SST chapter number 14, the tropical and subtropical region, यानी कि उष्णकटिबंधीय और उपोष्णकटिबंधीय क्षेत्र. लाइफ इन ट्रॉपिकल एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल रीजन्स. तो उष्णकटिबंधीय और उपोष्णकटिबंधीय जो क्षेत्र होते हैं उनके बारे में बात करते हैं. द रीजन बिटवीन द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर 23 डिग्री एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न 23 डिग्री एस. So roughly between the latitudes of 20 degree N and 20 degree S receive the maximum heat from the sun throughout the year. है ना, यहाँ पे जो है सबसे ज्यादा हीट होती है, सूर्य की किरणें सीधी पड़ती हैं. The entire belt is known as the tropical region. It is close to equator, hot and wet all year round. The world's largest tropical lies within this belt, as the Amazon River basin of South America. Beyond the tropicals, between 20 degree minus 40 degree in the both hemisphere. So the sun rays do not fall vertically overhead all year. As a result, the climatic conditions in the belt differ from being tropical for a part of the year to nearly tropical all year. They fall under the influence of the trade winds that blow from sea to the land in summers and reverse their direction in winter. We refer to it as subtropical region. The Ganga-Brahmaputra basin lies in the subtropical region. Tropic region, the Amazon basin. Location and extent. The Amazon rainforest with an area of approximately 5.2 million square kilometer spread over 6 countries of South America: Peru, Brazil, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela and Bolivia. Amazon River is the most voluminous in terms of water content. A network of nearly 1,500 big and small tributaries transfer their waters into the main river channel before it flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The mouth of the river forms a wide estuary 360 m wide. Climate. The Amazon basin has hot and sultry climate all year. It receives an annual rainfall of 150 centimeter to over 400 centimeter. So the average temperature remains around 27 degrees Celsius. High heat and high humidity result in an inhospitable climate. The area experiences rainfall almost every day. Natural vegetation. The natural vegetation of tropical region is called selvas. These forests are called the lungs of the earth because of the profusion of forests that add oxygen to the air. Extremely humid climatic conditions all year result in a dense vegetation cover. A variety of trees grow close together to form a thick canopy and very little sunlight reaches the ground. So vegetation in the Amazon basin grows in distinct tiers. Ferns, orchids and mosses grow on the trunks of these trees. So woody vines called lianas called around the reaching out get some sunlight blocked by the thick canopy of treetops. Hardwood varieties like mahogany, rosewood, ebony, cinchona yields when for treating malaria, and rubber grow. Commercial lumbering or cutting of tree for timber is difficult because of the dense growth in hospitable climate and variety of tree growing together. So there are an estimated 40,000 different species of plants and trees to be seen here. Animal life. अब यहाँ पे जो उष्णकटिबंधीय क्षेत्र होते हैं इन पर एनिमल लाइफ कैसी होती है? Monkey, jaguars, deer, tapirs, armadillos and anteaters are found in these forests. Snakes and lizard, slither along the ground. There are some 30 million species of insect, nearly 1,500 different species of birds, including parrots, toucans, parakeets, and macaw. So crocodiles, turtle, and nearly 3,000 species of fish, including the dreaded piranha, are found in the river waters. People, यहाँ के लोग कैसे होते हैं? डेंगू, मलेरिया एंड येलो फीवर आर कॉमन इन दिस रीजन्स. ये कॉमन बीमारियां हैं. The inhospitable climate and dense forest make the Amazon rainforest unsuitable for habitation. So most of the population found here comprises natives who live in primitive conditions. They are hunters and gatherers who kill animals in the forest and fish in the Amazon River. They practice the slash and burn method of shifting cultivation in some patches of land, the clear. They grow bananas, root crops like yam, tapioca, and sweet potato. Mostly cut off from the outside world, some natives live in thatched huts made of plain leaves. Canoes and dugout boats are made from logs of trees. People in the Amazon basin coat their bodies with a paste of local herbs mixed with mud to protect themselves from harmful insects bites. So the Brazilian government is making efforts to settle the Amazon tribes and introduce modern facilities like the construction of mud and wood houses, medical facilities, and attempt to educate some of the people so that they can get jobs. Work opportunities are offered in port cities or towns. So, Manaus is an important rubber collecting center. Belem is today the most developed port of the Amazon. Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. Location. India is known in the world for the largest, flattest and the most fertile plains. So, the Ganga Brahmaputra Basin, this basin is located south of the Himalayas. The extent of its area is from Sutlej river in the west to the Brahmaputra river in the east, covering about 2000 km. It spreads over a large part of Uttarakhand, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. These rivers have made natural embankments, floodplains, meanders and oxbow lakes that hot the plain. This basin also provides the most suitable lands for human settlement as the soil is very fertile here. So the delta formed by these rivers, i.e. the Sundarban. Sundarban delta is the largest and fastest growing delta in the world. क्या है Sundarban? Millions of tons of silt brought by these two rivers get deposited to form the great northern plains of India. Climate कैसा होता है यहाँ पे? The Ganga Brahmaputra basin has tropical monsoon climate. Summers are hot and dry, followed by an extensive monsoon season. So the rainy season lasts from June to September. The amount of rainfall decreases from east to west. The coastal plains and mountains experience pleasant climate. Plant life, पौधों का जीवन कैसा होता है? So the forests found in this region are tropical deciduous forests. Valuable timber is obtained from the seed trees of sal, teak, pipal, and bamboo. Mangrove forests are found all over the Sundarban region. So coniferous forests with trees like pine, devdar, and fir are found in the state of Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. So, due to increase in population, most of these forests have been cleared for agriculture. Recently, by the efforts of several NGOs and local people, much of the land is now under afforestation. Animal life. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin is full of a wide variety of wildlife. Elephants, tigers, deers and monkeys are commonly found here. The unique one called Rhinoceros, जिसके सिर पे एक सींग होता है, is found in the Brahmaputra plain. In the Delta region, Bengal tigers, crocodile and alligators are found. Aquatic life abounds in freshwater lakes and the Bay of Bengal. The most popular varieties of the fish are the rohu, katla and hilsa. In the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, a species of dolphin called susu, also known as blind dolphin, is found. The presence of blind dolphin is an indication of the good health of the river. So the untreated industrial and urban wastes with high amount of chemicals pollute the water and are killing these species. Life of people. This region is thickly populated on the favorite climate conditions, fertile soil, flat lowlands and easy available of fresh water. This region has long cultivation season as compared to the temperate and tropical region. So the agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. So the main crops are rice, wheat, maize, sorghum, pulse, millets, sugar cane, oil seeds, cotton, jute, tea, fruit and vegetables. So terrace farming is carried out in the hills of Assam and West Bengal. Raw materials like cotton, oil seeds, jute and sugar cane are available easily. Textile, sugar and edible oil industries. Most of the people live in villages apart from agriculture. Small scale and cotton industries are important occupations of people. With the increase in income lifestyle of people in rural areas, is improving cities like Kanpur, Prayagraj, Patna, Kolkata and Guwahati. ठीक है ना, Guwahati are such an example where people have migrated from rural areas and are now settled in these cities. Namami Gange project. Big cities, बड़े शहर like प्रयागराज, कानपुर, वाराणसी, लखनऊ, Patna and Kolkata are with a population of more than 10 lakh. ठीक है ना, तो each is located along the river Ganga. So the waste water from these cities and industries located there is discharged directly into the river Ganga. क्योंकि यहाँ का जो waste water है कहाँ जाता है, वो सीधा गंगा में जाता है. This leads to increase in pollution in the river. Government is putting major efforts to clean all the big rivers of India. The project launched in the direction is called Namami Gange. So this project, apart from filtering waste from the river, is also educating people not to pollute the rivers. The efforts have already started showing result as Ganga at Varanasi and Prayagraj is much cleaner than before. पहले से ज़्यादा साफ सुथरी हो गई है और किसके तहत, इस प्रोजेक्ट के थ्रू. कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट है ये, नमामि गंगे. ओके, सो द आवर टॉपिक्स आर कवर हियर. ठीक है, इन दिस चैप्टर I hope you all are very well understand this chapter. So we will meet your next class. Thank you.